Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And there is a one more budget smartwatch with me. The company name is Excel, and here the model one is G1. Model name is G1. There's also a G1 Pro that is a little bit costly, but this is under. You can say it's under $70 of price bracket, and it's a very good smartwatch. So you can see here, this is the box package, some details about this product, the design and the connectivity. There's a one barcode scanner, so you need to scan and go to the application. Sorry, here. So here is a barcode scanner. You download it, and the compatible software of this smartwatch will automatically download. You can have access to the all specification. So here's the specification of this smartwatch. You can see 1.3 inch TFT 2.5D high quality tempered glass. Means the size of this smartwatch is display is 1.3, 5 atm water resistant, accelerometer and PPG rate monitor, real time tracking, 7 days of battery backup, and 10 days standby, compatibility iOS and Android. So let's open this. So here is our package. This is our smartwatch. This is our smartwatch. I was testing this. So here's a one more compartment. Here we have some documentation, and here is our charging cable, charging dock. Let's see how much the length and how's the quality. So the cable looking good, quality is good, length is enough. It's around okay, it's a good length. And here's a magnetic dock, so you just need to, yeah, it's a magnet. Magnet is strong, so you need to plug it in your adapter and it will start charging. So almost it will take 2 hours to fully charge this smartwatch. And the smartwatch standby, it will last up to 10 days, and a normal usage you will get a 7 days of usage after a full charge. So this smart is a very budget oriented smartwatch. So if you're going to any market or in shop, you can find this product. It's not normally you can see on online, but on Arab Emirat there are a lot of online platform like Sharaf DG. You can find this. So here is our smartwatch. You can see this is the design. It's looking like a Soundpeats smartwatch or Hello smartwatch, which I have recently reviewed. But here I think the quality of the strap is very good. It's a very good quality strap, and also very thin. It's not a very hard material they have used. They have gone for a very good quality material. You can see it's a very thin. And here it is our this all housing is made of plastic, but they have sandwiched a two color, gray and light, and a black, grayish and black color. And here's our one chrome button to go inside the functionality. So this is back design for charging dock. This is our sensor, PPG sensor, and SpO2 sensor. And here's some other logo. Okay, so let's go inside. So this is our smartwatch. This is a design. The display is 1.3 inch, 240 into 240. So let's see. Swiping down, you will get the notification. Swiping up, you will get the how much distance you have covered. And here some sports, heart rate, relax, alarm, music controller, timer, and other activity. Dial. So we have basically 3 dial currently now installed in this application. So once you download the application, you will get the more. Now let's open this again. So here some activity, phone finder. Okay, lift screen, do not disturb, heart rate monitoring, phone finder, and nothing else. So swiping left you will get this, and nothing there. And swiping down, notification inside this, and other activities here. So it's a very basic one, basic smartwatch. You don't have much access, much information. You just will get the basic idea of your health monitoring status. So that's it guys, this is a very basic smartwatch. You can see this is the design, and I will show you how it will look in your hand. So this will look like this. So this is the smartwatch. You can see 1.3 inch TFT display, but I will say the quality is very good. Only the display you have to manage. It's only 1.3 inch and it's also a TFT display, but display is good. It's not a very good it's not a very brightest, I will say, but it's good. So that's it guys, this is the smartwatch. Thanks for watching this video.